Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, in this video we will discuss today's Infosys coding question. Okay, so किस टाइप क्वेश्चन आए थे, कैसे आपको सॉल्व करना आई विल टेल, है ना. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. एंड गाइस वीडियो का आप एंड तक बने रहिएगा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, साइड में बेल आइकन उसको क्लिक करना मत भूलना. एंड गाइस इफ यू नॉट जॉइन अवर दिस टेलीग्राम चैनल, आई सजेस्ट यू टू जॉइन बिकॉज गाइस वी विल डेली अपलोड दी प्लेसमेंट पीडीएफ, है ना, placement material in the form of PDF here only. And guys, one thing more, है ना, if you want to practice the program in CPP or C, so you can follow, है ना, you need to follow this series as well guys, है ना. In this series guys, है ना, I will upload the one code in one shot, okay, YouTube short only ना. So चलिए start करते हैं. So let's see. Yes, so question is you will be given a string and size of n. You have to perform a particular type of query multiple times, okay, on the given string. So query is guys, the query is for any string t, find the length of the lexicographically smallest suffix string of s start with t. If there is no suffix, return 0. Clear? For example guys, इसको हम अच्छे से समझते हैं टेस्ट केस से. So yes, let's move to test case guys. So test case is guys, basically you have a string, first is string, and after it guys you have a query array, okay, query array in the form of character or in the word, है ना. So let's see. So this one is a string length friends, okay. Then after that you have a query length. After that guys you have a string and queries. For example, this one have two queries, so this one and this one, two queries are there in this one, okay. So for example guys, you have this. So for example guys, you have this one is a string, है ना. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा बड़े लिख लिया, बड़ा करके लिख लिया, है ना. So let's see. So here guys you have a one query string that is y and k, and guys you need to find where this suffix is there. So let's see guys. So yk have friends here only, okay. So this one is yk, and after that guys we have two letter more. So total word is guys yk ht. So this one, the length of this word is guys 4. Clear? So let's see for next test case guys. For z है ना, not there, z नहीं है यहाँ पे. So for z guys length is 0. For w is there first, है ना. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 0 plus 5 is there, so it will give 5. For example, third one string, let's see for third string guys, okay. So third string have d or do, okay. So do is there, this one, okay. So here to here, है ना, the length is 9. Clear? If you want you can count, pause the screen, count this character 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Clear? So this type of program asked in today's Infosys slot, okay. So let's discuss the code directly guys, है ना. First of all I just check, है ना, I just check the where this one is available, है ना. this second word, this word is available here or here, कहाँ पे इसको available है, कहाँ पे मिल रहा है, ये सिंपल से उसको सर्च करेंगे. After that guys we just count the length till end, है ना. After that word, है ना, with length of the word we just count the length till end, okay. So let's see the code guys. I will show the code in the Python, or if you want you can make the code in C and CPP, no issues, you can use directly built-in functions, okay. So friends, let's discuss the code in the Python only, okay. And let's see, I just copy this whole string, okay, and paste on here. Clear? So see, so I just store these string in one alphabet, okay. After that guys, after discuss this logic and code, I will tell how to what you need to change this code for in main exam. क्या चेंज करना पड़ेगा आपको एग्जाम के लिए, वो मैं आपको कोड बताने के बाद बताऊंगा, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा देख लो कैसे बनाना है. So guys, for example you have a is a string, and for example you have a q. In the q guys you have some strings in the form of array, है ना, string array, right. So first of all you have jk, yes, sorry, jk, yes, jk is there first of all, okay. So let's discuss for first test case. After that we will discuss for other test case. Clear? So let's see. After that guys we have q in the query. So guys I just take a for loop for I in q, है ना. And guys I just make one variable, that is my favorite variable, that is ans answer. Clear? I will store answer in ans variable. And guys before starting this, before taking loop, I will tell one keyword in the, one function in the Python. So guys, for example, if I abcd, and I need to find guys in the given string C is present or not, or the index of the C or the value place of the C. So I just, one function is there, that name is find, find of, let's suppose I need to find C. Clear? So C at, friends, at place second index. Clear? You can check for other one. For example, we have K L M N O P, and after that guys, after that we just find a dot find. Now find of, I need to find, guys, for example CD. Okay, CD we need to find. So let's see, the output is again 2. Why 2? Because guys CD at start from the second index. अब आपको समझ नहीं आएगा, पहले भी सी लिया था, पहले भी सी. So I just change this to NO. Clear? NO. So let's see guys, this one is 7th index. 7th index हमारे ये वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है. ओके, और यही हमको चाहिए गाइस, है ना. एज यू कैन सी गाइस, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई कॉपी दिस स्ट्रिंग, ओके, एंड पेस्ट हियर a इक्वल टू पेस्ट, ओके, एंड a डॉट find of jk, find of j and k, okay, and let's see the output. Yes, sorry, -1 is there. Why? Because jk is not present in this one, right? jk is not present, actually yk is there, है ना. jk गलत ले लिया, here is y. okay, so again here is y, sorry. So yes, 9 is there guys. Clear? From 9th index it will start. So we can print it till end. For example, a of I just make the code directly first, है ना. So first of all guys, you need to take a for loop for I in a, sorry, for I in q. Q is a query. Clear? Q is a query guys. Okay, for I in q, and I just store these q to b variable guys. Okay, and after that I just find the index. So k equal to find a dot, sorry, yes, a dot find of b, है ना. और you can directly put I, no issues, है ना. I just remove this. Why I write more than one line? तो बोलोगे कमेंट करके कि एक लाइन क्यों लिया आप लोगों ने, है ना. So yes, so k equal to a dot find of I. So k give the index, and I just store these two. For example, s equal to a of k colon, and I just use this slicing, and I just print s. So let's see the output guys. Oh sorry, jk is not there, that's why key is printed. Why? Because -1 give always last character. Okay, so let's see, for example here is yk. Yes, so let's see the output. Yes, the answer is ykht. Okay, the length is 4 is given, so I just stored length only. So we need to find length only. Okay, and guys I just put one more condition guys here, है ना. if k equal to guys -1, k equal to -1, in these guys answer equal to answer plus 0, okay, answer plus equal to answer plus 0, else guys, else I will do something. It means these things. Okay, in place of print I just use answer plus equal to s. Clear? Let's see the output. Print answer. First we see the output सही है या नहीं है. So yes, 4 is there guys. Clear? 4 is there, it means friends code is correct, है ना. Let's check this code for other test case, है ना. Then I will show guys how to change this code in your main exam if this code is coming. Okay, so I just copy this string and paste here in place of this one. And guys, and we have two queries are there. First one is for z guys, and other one is for w. Clear? Let's see, run this code and we got 5 output. Let's see for third test case. कभी कभी बोलने में इशू आ जाता है. नो इश्यूज, बट अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इसको मैं पेस्ट करता हूँ, और we have one query that is do. Okay, let's see the output. Yes guys, we got 5 4 5 9. Okay, 4 5 9. And friends, 3 coding question are there, and you have 180 minutes to solve all these 3 coding question in the Infosys. Clear guys? So let's discuss guys how to convert this code for your main exam. Okay, so let's see for main exam. So in the main exam guys, you can copy paste this whole code, and guys in your main exam you have a function, okay, you have a function. So for example find lexicographical नाम रख लेते हैं इसका. So I just copy this name from here only and paste on our id function name. Paste is a function name, okay. And here guys you have a, in the Python only है ना, in the Python only you have a string and query, 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 okay. And here is str is given, okay, here is str and query. So what you need to change in this code guys, you can convert, you can write here str, okay, in place of q you can write simply query, query. Remaining code is same guys, remaining code is same, and you need to change more something. For example guys, you need to change here in place of print you need to return, and guys one more condition, return, and one more condition guys, you need to include that one is, that is percentage of power something something है ना, percentage of POW of power of 10,9 plus 7, okay, and all the things are correct. Yes guys, so this code is your main code guys. This code you need to write in your main exam guys if this same question is asked in your main exam guys. Only function name is changed na. I didn't remember the question, function name. I didn't remember the function name, so that's why guys I just give their lexicographically function name है ना, और कोई दूसरा नाम दिया होगा फंक्शन का तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. एंड रिमेनिंग कोड आर सेम गाइज, रिमेनिंग कोड आर सेम. प्लीज है ना, इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट विद क्वेश्चन एज वेल, एंड नो नीड टू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट गाइज. आई विल शेयर दिस पीडीएफ ऑन आवर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, सो गाइज यू कैन गो एंड डाउनलोड दिस पीडीएफ, एंड आई जस्ट पुट दिस whole solution in the this whole solution here only. So if you want you can copy paste है ना. And guys if you not give the Wipro exam, so I suggest you to watch our Wipro one video, that is I have last video, I can say last video देख लेना एक बार. Why guys? Because same question are there, same question repeating again and again guys, so I suggest you to watch the video, okay. So थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया, इसको नीचे जा रहा है, इसको ऊपर पहुंचा देते हैं अपन थोड़ा सा इसको. I just change the font size of this one. For example 29 is there, so yes 29 is sufficient. So yes guys in the Python है ना, in the Python guys you need to write same to same code. थोड़ा बहुत भी गड़बड़ कर दोगे है ना, if you done space mistake then guys your code is not working. So please don't ask me कि sir your code is working not working and all है ना. My work is to share the logic है ना, share the question explanation and code as well some places है ना. So but yes if you want you can write other code है ना, अगर logic समझ में आया, code समझ में आया, so you can make other code, no issues, okay. So yes, so I hope guys you enjoyed today's video and समझ में आया होगा सारी चीजें. If you have any doubt, query, suggestion, you can ask me, give me on comment, or friends any doubt, query, just ask me on comment. And one thing more, if you want to contact or if you need some guidance or something है ना, just ask me on WhatsApp chat है ना, because we more active on WhatsApp chat as compared to other platform, clear. But if you want to send message through any platform you can ask me and I will share all the platform link in the description, all the social medias. So one thing more guys, that is if you not subscribe our Telegram channel, I suggest you to subscribe. And guys please follow this series if you want to start your preparation or start your or practice the questions है ना. You can follow this 30-second series guys है ना, only I just take your 30 second to 60 second है ना, and you will got some logic and code and all, okay. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please join कर लीजिएगा इसको. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फ्रेंड्स प्लीज सब्सक्राइब our YouTube channel and share, okay. So let's meet on the next video guys, okay. Thank you for watching this video, okay, bye.